What's up, guys? We are back here with another auto auction update. Man, we got a few auctions this week, literally every day pretty much. And man, it's a bunch of cars on our list today. Hoping we got some good ones here, because yesterday's auction just wasn't feeling. We're here at one of my favorite auctions, one of the cheapest auctions in town. So without further ado, if you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Let's get right into it now, shall we? Alrighty, guys, we got an 04 Nissan Titan here, 184,000 miles. Pretty good looking truck body wise. First glance, it does look pretty good. It is a nice looking pickup truck. This is definitely, whoa. Okay, look like this thing might have been stolen at a point or something, who knows. But other than that, if we take a look at the inside, the seat does have a big hole in it. Nothing too crazy for a pickup truck. We do have the little TV and sunglass holder up there, and it stretches all the way aside. So this one might have been stolen before. Pretty good looking pickup truck. You do have the cover over the back, so that's a plus too. Really good looking all around. Pretty fair. And it's the V8 Endurance. You can actually pop the hood really quick. Oh, it says no start. Wow. So I don't even think this thing starts, unfortunately. That sucks. But let's see what it goes for. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below. Ooh, another one, guys. Next up, man, we got a 2002 Honda Accord, 115,000 miles. Wow, the title is on hand. So we can literally buy this today and sell this today. You guys remember the one I just got from here for 750 bucks. Looked pretty much just as clean as this one, just had 100,000 more miles on it, but literally just as clean. This one has super low miles. If we take a look at the inside, we do have some nice tan leather interior, which is pretty fair. You look at the back seats, looks pretty good. You do have like a little panel on the back seat missing here. Nothing crazy. Just looking up here, looks to be in order. 115,000 miles, dude. You guys already know this will be something to bid on right here. This is probably the best car they have. Up here, you do have a used to be a wing that goes here, and they took it off, or somebody jacked them or something. Do got some little tequila scrape over here. Nothing too crazy. Literally minimal damage. It's pretty fair. We can pop the hood on this joint just to see what it's looking like. See if it looks as clean as ours with 200,000 miles. Oh yeah. Yeah, this will definitely be something we're going to be bidding on here this weekend. So that's a plus there. Nice sunroof. What y'all think about the Honda Accord EX, man? Let me know in the comments below. Next up, guys, we got a 94 Cadillac DeVille here. 91,000 miles on the dash. Wow, we got another title in hand. I know this auction is coming up. Is going to be pretty lit then. You know, people like buying cars with titles in hand. The body on this is pretty good. However, if you look closely, you do got some tequila kickage there. Just slight tequila kickage. Nothing too crazy. We take a look at the inside. This thing could have been on Casino. I honestly think it might have been on the movie Casino. Nice interior, pretty decent leather. Real old school caddy leather, man. You can't get enough of it. I'm digging the colors in here. Roof and everything looks to be intact. 91,000 miles. Seems pretty fair. You do got another tequila kick here in the light as well. But overall, this thing is just really clean, man. New white wall tires. Nice little OEM rims. So that's a plus there too. I think it's pretty legit. What y'all think about the 94 Cadillac DeVille, man? Let me know in the comments below. Man, we got a 2000 Nissan Altima here. 248,000 miles on the dash. It is a manual transmission. You're gonna need some hubcaps on that joint. If we take a look at the inside, do have some tan cloth interior. Pretty wood, kind of smell like gasoline inside. This thing is just junk right here. Not really my flavor, but I just wanted to give you guys an idea of what this thing is gonna go for. Next up on the list, guys, and I apologize for the noise in the background, but we got a 2001 Toyota Camry here, 150,000 miles on the dash. We do got some a little side mirror missing. We do got new headlights. It is a rebuilt title. We do got a different color front bumper. What the fuck are you doing? If we take a look at the inside, we do have some decent tan interior. That thing stink. And I'm breathing all that. Ew, that's so nasty. It's stinking there, dog. This thing is gonna need an inside detail and a painted front end. 150,000 miles, Toyota Camry. It's pretty cool. What y'all think about it though? Let me know in the comments below. Next up, guys, we got a 99 Honda CR-V here, 170,000 miles. First glance, it does look pretty cool. Do got a little slight kickage there, nothing crazy. 170,000 miles. Title is in, so we can literally buy this thing today and sell it, as soon as we get up out of here. You are missing a small back window there. Nothing crazy. If we take a look at the inside, we do have some decent, like, OEM gray cloth interior, which is pretty fair and in pretty great condition. You will need a radio, but everything up there seems pretty fair. Radio, window. You do got a little tequila kick here in the back. Again, nothing too bad. Pretty decent looking Honda CR-V with decent mileage. We can pop open this hood, because this will be something we might be interested in. Oh yeah, this thing looks like a beauty underneath the hood. So this will be something we're interested in here, and we'll keep our eyes on this Honda, hoping we can get it. Alrighty, guys, next up, man, we got an 08 Chevy Trailblazer here. Literally the last year they made these things. 08, 114,000 miles on the dash. It is pretty dusty sitting in this, dusty lot. But I mean, looks pretty good body-wise. You do got some gaps in the headlights over there. Pop this hood. It does have pretty low mileage. And looking at this looking at this engine bay under here, it does look fairly clean and intact. I don't see anything out the ordinary. If we look at this side, it does look pretty good as well. Again, no body damage. If we take a look at the inside, wow, this is probably the cleanest Trailblazer I've ever seen. Interior, nice light gray seats, cloth. Really good looking car in the inside compared to what I've seen in the past, man. This driver's seat just looks pretty clean and new. Get this thing a nice wash. This thing will be looking really clean and new. V6, it's not the V8. Pretty fair. What y'all think about the 08 Chevy Trailblazer? Let me know in the comments below. Next up, guys, we got a 95 Dodge Dakota here, 211,000 miles. First glance, I guess it looks pretty all right. You do got some faded paint of some sort. You're gonna need, like, I guess a paint job. You do got some tequila kickage here in the hood. Yeah, the paint is not the best, but if you're looking for the truck, it's here. We take a look at on the inside here, we got some decent, I guess 2 seats. I don't even know if these seats go to this car or not, but you can just take a look at the back. Seems pretty fair up here. Interface and everything up here looks to be pretty legit. Again, the paint is not the best, but it is in the body itself is in pretty great condition. So I'll let you guys be the judge of it. If you guys like Dodge Dakotas, man, you let me know in what condition this one is at its point. What do you think about it? Let me know in the comments below. Alrighty, guys, next up, man, we got a 01 GMC Yukon here, 278,000 1,000 miles on the dash, man. These things come a dime a dozen. First glance does look pretty good. However, you got a little tequila kick back there. We'll get back to that shortly. If we pop open the hood on this daddy-o, nice 5.3 Vortec engine. You can put this motor in anything, LS swap it. That's what people normally do. Seems pretty legit. Could be a little bit better. I know the centers on the wheels are out. Take a look at the inside. This seat is just super whooped, along with that seat, and I'm sure the back seats, you do got that middle open back there, so that's a plus. Sunroof, gonna need a radio as well. So you got some aftermarket tail lights. Me personally, I like the regular red tail lights that come with it, the OEM ones, but whatever floats your boat. Down here you got some tequila kick. It's just really not as bad as it looks. It's really just at a trim panel, but I mean, other than that, it seems pretty fair. 278,000 miles, guys. I think you got a lot of room to work with the mileage, but then again, do you really want this one, or do you just want to just spend a little bit more and get the next model up? What you guys think about it, let me know in the comments below. Alrighty, guys, next up, man, we got a 98 Toyota Corolla here. 173,000 miles. First glance, we do got some tequila kick over here. I don't know if the axle's bent or not, but you're definitely gonna need a new fender, new light, because it's probably cracked under there, and a new bumper. 173,000 miles. I think you still got a lot of room to run. This side over here looks really good, so it might be worth fixing. If we take a look at the inside, you do got some stains in the front seat. If you look at the back, nothing really crazy. You're missing a radio. It's a Corolla, guys, so I mean, I wouldn't expect too much from it. This is pretty much just a point A and point B car. You will need a left tail light, as it's a little sticker in that one, but overall it's pretty fair. Minimal damage, judging that axle isn't broke, so we'll see what happens. Alrighty, guys, next up we got a 2014 Volkswagen Passat here. 39,000 miles here. Probably the best car on the lot. Can I just look in it real quick? Just want to look in it real quick. They saying we gotta go, but you guys see the interior. Let me know what you think about it. Got a little tequila kick there. Nothing crazy. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below. And guys, we do have a Yamaha here. Looks like it was a previous stunt bike of some sort, and they must have flipped it. And this thing is just in pieces now, but it does run. And I actually got a buddy of mine. He's into buying like sports bikes like these, so we'll, if we can get it cheap enough, you know, we can buy this thing and then sell it to him at a pretty good deal. What you guys think about the Yamaha? I don't know if this is the R6 or not, but let me know in the comments below. Not interested in the Saturn, not interested in the Taurus, and I don't think the 18-wheeler truck is for sale. And I guess these cars haven't been picked up yet, but boy, let them be in here a couple more weeks. These things gonna get yanked up. We don't want that. We don't want none of these cars over here that don't start, man. So honestly, it was quicker than I thought. I thought we had a lot more cars to bid on, but we do got enough. So alrighty, guys, that's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. We got a few cars we're actually gonna bid on today, stuff that we actually like and had experience with in the past. So we're gonna try to be bidding on these here pretty soon, man. Hopefully we can get something for really cheap. We don't get overbid if we don't come across that Grand Cherokee. But you know, if you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, man. If you're wondering what these cars are gonna go for, be sure to tune back in tomorrow morning, as that video will be out first thing in the AM. Until then, guys, I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.